Hello everyone, welcome back to the Deepcodr. Once again, we are back with the Terraform tutorial. Azure App Service is one of the most used resource in the Azure. So in this video, let's understand how to create Azure App Service with the help of the Terraform. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So let's go to the editor and create the folder for creating our Terraform resources. We will give the name as Azure App Service. That's it, and now let's create a file main.tf and let's add our configuration inside this file. So first we will specify the Terraform block, inside which we will specify the required providers, which will be Azure RM. The source will be HashiCorp/Azure RM and the version will be nearly equal to or greater than 3.0. Now we will specify the provider block, inside which we can add the features required to configure the Azure RM. For now, we will keep it as blank. Finally, we will add the resources required for Azure App Service. So the first resource that we will require is Azure App Service plan. So let's create this resource. Let's give the name as Deepcodr first plan. Now we will add the name of the resource again. Then we will add the resource group name. This will be same across all the resources. Finally, we will add the location of the resource, which will be East-US. Then for the app service plan, we have to add SKU, size and tier. So tier will be standard and the size that we will use will be the S1. Now we will specify the configuration for Azure App Service. So let's add the resource Azure RM App Service. Give the name as Deepcodr first app. Then we will specify the name again as Deepcodr first app. The resource group name again will be the same as the app service plan. And the location will be also the same, East-US. Now we will specify the app service plan ID as Azure RM App Service Plan, and then we will specify the plan created earlier. Let's add the site config. With the version of the required language, we will specify the Python version, and we will specify the source control as local git. And that's it, our configuration for the app service is completed. We can add more options as required. Now let's go to the folder and apply the configuration with Terraform. So first init the Terraform using Terraform unit. Let's wait for it to complete. And that's it, we can see our Terraform has initialized successfully. Now let's apply the configuration. So let's verify the details. And then we will type yes to confirm. We can see that plan creation has been started. This will take some time. We can see that plan has been created and the app service creation has been started. Let's wait for it to complete. And as we can see, our two resources has been added successfully. That means we have successfully created the Azure App Service with the help of Terraform. You can add more options as required in the configuration. Now let's verify the infrastructure in the Azure portal. We can see that our app service has been created. So that's it for this video. We have created Azure App Service with the Terraform in this video. For more such interesting videos and tutorials, do share my videos and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in another interesting tutorial or video. Till then, keep deploying.